Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Ritz cracker chicken casserole. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First we need 1 can of the 10.5 ounce of condensed cream of chicken with herb soup, 1 cup of sour cream, 3 cups of cooked and shredded chicken. You could use rotisserie chicken. I've been cooking chicken thighs in my crock pot all day and those shred up so nice. So I have 3 cups right here. Then you need 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers and we're going to crush those, and then a half a cup, which is 1 stick of butter, and we're going to melt that. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and then spray a 9x13 baking dish with cooking spray. In a large bowl, we are going to combine our cream of chicken soup and our sour cream and just mix that to combine. Next, we're going to add our shredded chicken into our mixture and spread it into our prepared baking dish. That looks great. So next you want to take your butter, put it in a microwavable safe bowl and melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. That looks nice and melted. I did have to put mine in there for 1 minute. So next I just crunched up my crackers inside my package like this, and we are going to add those to the melted butter. That is nice and combined. So next I'm just going to sprinkle that evenly over top of my chicken mixture. Okay, let's get that into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cracker topping turns golden brown and the casserole is bubbly. My casserole just came out of the oven and it smells amazing. So we're going to let it cool off a bit and see what taste tester thinks. All right, we have some here for taste tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.